In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out in GoodDay. Logging out might seem like a tiny action, but it's actually an important habit, especially if you're using a shared or public computer, or if you simply want to make sure your work account stays secure. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through exactly where to click, what to look for, and a few simple tips to keep in mind as you sign out. First, make sure you're already logged into your GoodDay account and that you're on any main workspace page, such as your My Workboard. The good news is that you don't have to be on a specific screen for this to work. The logout option is always in the same place in the interface. Now take a look toward the lower left corner of your screen. There, you should see your profile area. This is usually represented by a small profile icon, which might show your initials, your avatar, or a generic user symbol. This profile icon is the main entry point for personal account options, and it's also where the logout control is located. Go ahead and click on that profile icon in the bottom left. When you do, a small menu or panel will open. This menu contains several account-related options, such as links to your profile settings, preferences, and sometimes help or support resources. Among these items, you'll see an option labeled Logout. Next, move your cursor to the Logout option and click it once. As soon as you click, GoodDay will start the sign-out process. In most cases, you'll be taken back to the login screen or a welcome page, confirming that you've successfully logged out of your account. Before you walk away from your device, take a quick moment to confirm that you really are logged out. You should no longer see your projects, tasks, or boards. Instead, you should see a page that asks you to sign in again. This quick check is especially important if you're using a computer at work, in a classroom, or in any shared environment. If you plan to log in again later on the same device, you can simply return to the login page and enter your account details. But whenever you're done with your work session, repeating this simple process of clicking your profile icon